He came and he redefined Bollywood as we knew it with his first ever film Dil Chahta Hai. The urban youth found a new sense of cool that was truly Indian. Farhan Akhtar has done it again. His raspy, gravelly voice is being devoured by girls and boys alike, who are desperately seeking a homegrown rock star that's real and sings and speaks in their own language. Farhan, I'm very pleased to have you on the couch with me today.
Thanks,
Thank you, the new rock star on the
Thank you for
vlog.
bringing this couch over to my edit studio.
For your rehearsal studio, apparently.
Yeah, I think I might keep it.
No, you can't. I need it.
For subsequent episodes, is it?
Yeah, absolutely. Now, you're born and brought up in Bollywood. Your father is the renowned Javed Akhtar. Your mother is Hani Irani. Your stepmother is Shabana Azmi. Your grandfather is Jan Nisar Akhtar. Why did it take so long for you to make an acting debut?
I mean, I wanted to write, I wanted to direct. I didn't feel ready to act.
So you're saying you're not ready to act, but you're ready to direct. Surely direction is a much larger...
Yeah, but I mean, I just felt like I could think of a story, I could visualize the story, I could explain to people how it is I wanted them to bring it to life. But somehow to be one of those people who was actually on the other side and having to receive information and then go out there and perform, you know, I didn't feel quite ready to do that.
So now, of course, you're an actor, you're a producer, you're a director. Where does your heart lie?
No, my heart lies in film, you know, so I mean, it's all, I guess, on some level a part of the same process of making a movie. So if it's acting, directing, writing, producing, it's all working towards the same goal, which is to make, to tell a story. Yeah.
And how do you know which switch to switch on?
I don't want to do both together, so when I'm directing, it'll be only about that, and when I'm acting, it'll be only about that.
So did you feel like most thinking actors have a lot of contribution, you know, while they're working, they have some input, they're like, oh, why don't you do it like this? And why don't you...
Yeah.
Did you feel you had to bite your tongue sometimes and like rein it in because you're coming from the place of a successful director?
No, not really. I mean, that was the environment, I mean, we worked together on this, and that was the environment that there was on set. You know, if you felt like you wanted to try something out, you don't need to feel guilty about who you are to be able to say it. Because you'll regret it later, you know, so you might as well say it, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, you know, and then again, what if it doesn't work and you're like, oh, I used to be a director and should I know that it should have worked?
Obviously, two directors are never the same.
Of course.
You know, so the way Abhishek would have done something might have been different from the way you would have done it.
Yeah, no, it's vastly different.
So, how would you have made Rock On then?
I don't know about how I would have made it and what the film would have looked like eventually, but the way he works is very different from the way I work. And the only thing for me really to adjust with was, I mean, not really in terms of with him, but as an actor, was suddenly having a lot of free time on my hands while on set, you know, and in between setups.
It's called the waiting.
Exactly.
It's the waiting game.
You know, and when you're directing, you're constantly doing something in between setups, and here I am, like, suddenly, you know, like, you can get 10 minutes, you know, when you're sitting in your van and, like, I'm playing my guitar and watching TV, and, you know, and
was that a pleasure or a bore?
No, it was very unnerving for me for the first like week or two, yeah, because I wanted to know what's going on, and you know, like I'm just like I'm not used to this, you know. So I would keep calling our first AD and be like, "What's happening, Shakun? You know, like what's going on?" Then he'd be like, "There's still, it'll take 5 minutes more." And then you know, you start getting ready. You start emotionally working yourself up into the space you want to be when you go onto set. And suddenly there's a knock, and they'll be like, "Then there's some problem with the crane. It's going to take 20 minutes more," and you're just like,
Farhan, welcome to our world.
Yeah, really, okay. And, you know, like someday you'll do what I do and then I'll welcome you to mine. So.
Well, I would like that.
See, the thing with a director, you don't get time to lose focus. And with an actor, you have to constantly keep focusing.
Focus. Yeah,
you know,
that's
like,
a nice way of putting it, actually.
So
what was the other hard thing as an actor?
I just feel at times when you're working with someone, you want to like maybe step in and say, you know, like what if you know, like think about this, you know, while you're doing the scene. But you feel that's not right as a co-actor. You know, you feel like I may be like crossing a boundary by suggesting how to do something to somebody else.